Hi, this is John with WTI, and right here with me, I got my Aveeno 60 SPF sunscreen. So right now, I'm about to go into my vacations. I'm going to Colombia, and although there's different types of places and the environments and the weather is all different, I always try to keep myself well moisturized because at the same time that this is a sunscreen, it moisturize your face. So as I'm going to be going through a different type of environments and the weather and the climate, I had to keep myself protected. And what I like about this is that it's not gonna give you an oily skin, even though it's going to protect you and is moisturizing at the same time. The texture is really nice. It's not gonna give you this white spots all over the different places, and it's not too oily, so you're not gonna feel like you were like put a whole set of oil in your face. So overall, great product. You know your face is gonna be, and not only your face, your whole body is gonna feel well protected. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.